Means Woodshop merch is now available. Check the link down in the description. Hey, I'm Caleb with Means Woodshop. Today we're going to make this really cool toilet paper tower. The idea for this project came from my viewer Harry Gary. Really easy project you can make in a weekend, even just an afternoon. Let's check it out. So for starting out this project, I'm going to cut 3 pieces all to the same length, 1 for the back and 2 for the sides. So here's the very basic layout of the toilet paper tower right now. You see my boards are cupped. That kind of sucks, but we could work with it. Set up a stop block, and I only need 2 shelves for this one. Now that I've got all my pieces cut, I just want to make some pocket holes along the back of the tower just to speed up assembly a little bit. Now I'm gluing and screwing this panel together that's going to be for the bottom. It's going to be the base of the toilet paper tower. Damn it. That's what I'm trying to say. And we ain't gotta wait on any stupid glue to dry. So now I'm just gonna put a Roman OG profile around the top and the base. Start sanding down all of my pieces and then get to assembly. I'm ready to begin assembly, and because these boards are cut, I'm going to go ahead and start with my shelves first, because it's going to leave a little gap on the inside, but they'll be flush on the top, so the cup is there. But if I try to put the sides on and it's flush with the sides of this, they're going to be pushing in on the shelves, and the shelves won't fit. Joining the storm on Area 51. Dude, I'm gluing this lid on, dude.
Gluing that lid on, dude?
Gluing this top on, dude.
What are you making there, bud? A Bluetooth speaker tower? Something like that?
No, dude. It is a tower of some sort.
Tiger tower?
No, dude.
Ready heater tower?
No, dude. Look, look around the workbench, dude.
Log tower?
No, dude.
Oh, you were hiding it though.
I wasn't hiding it.
You were hiding
It
it.
was right behind the...
I can't see through things.
It's wider than the glue bottle, dude.
Whatever, you think you're so much fucking smarter than me.
Dude, it's a toilet paper tower.
The good old TPT. It's Trump Tower. Ooh, spicy.
I think this project will look great with some wipe-on poly. Pine is really drinking it up. There's the toilet paper tower complete. I think it looks really nice. I think this pine looks really nice and homey, and it's great with all the knots in it. Kind of gives it a little bit of a rustic character, but it's not rustic. I really liked it, and again, the idea for this project came from my viewer Gary, who told me a story about making these back in the day with his grandfather, and I think he said his had like a little heart heart-shaped openings that you could put the toilet paper into. I think that was a really good idea, but I couldn't quite figure that out in my head, so I went ahead and made this system. You got 2 rolls ready to go, and you have this area down here that can hold up to 6 rolls. If you enjoyed this project, give it a thumbs up and like it, because supposedly that tells YouTube to push this video out for other people to see. You can subscribe to this channel too, because I have 2 videos every week, a project like this every Friday, and then a follow-up on that project every Wednesday. So you don't want to miss those. You can click that notification bell and you won't miss any videos when they come out. Thank you very much for watching. I will see you next time.